Have you ever wondered about the colossal machines that help shape our cities and towns? These mechanical giants, these trucks, play an integral role in building casting, without which our urban landscapes would look vastly different. Let's start by acknowledging the importance of these trucks. Imagine for a moment a world without them. It would be like trying to build a skyscraper with a hammer and nails. These trucks are the backbone of construction, transporting materials, pouring concrete, and lifting loads to dizzying heights. Without them, progress would slow to a crawl. In this video, we're going to focus on 3 types of trucks that are instrumental in the world of construction: concrete trucks, the foundation builders; dump trucks, the load carriers; and crane trucks, the sky-high lifters. Each one plays a unique role. Each one is a marvel of engineering and design. So buckle up as we dive into the world of these mechanical workhorses. First up, we have the concrete trucks, the unsung heroes of any construction site. Imagine a bustling construction site without these behemoths. It's hard, isn't it? That's because concrete trucks are the very foundation builders on which our cities rise. What makes these trucks special is their dual role in transporting and mixing concrete. They're not just haulers, they're mixologists, if you will, of the construction world. They carry the raw ingredients: cement, water, sand, and gravel, all of which get mixed into concrete en route to the construction site. This ensures that the concrete is fresh and ready to pour the moment it arrives on site. Now let's talk about the heart of the concrete truck, the rotating drum. This is where the magic happens. This drum doesn't just carry the concrete, it's continuously rotating, mixing the ingredients together. The constant rotation prevents the concrete from hardening, keeping it in the perfect state until it's time for the pour. Speaking of the pour, timing is everything. Concrete doesn't wait for anyone. Once mixed, it begins to harden. So the concrete truck has to be on site and ready to pour before the concrete sets. It's a delicate dance, a race against the clock, and these trucks handle it with aplomb. Beyond the functionality, there's a certain beauty to these trucks, isn't there? The spinning drum, the rhythmic hum of the engine, the stately procession as they move on the roads, it's all a part of the symphony of construction. And let's not forget, these trucks are built tough. They have to be. They're handling one of the most robust materials known to man, in all kinds of weather, across all types of terrain. They're workhorses, reliable and sturdy, always ready to deliver. Concrete trucks, despite their simplicity, play a pivotal role in shaping our urban landscapes. They're not just vehicles, they're the unsung heroes, the foundation builders that help bring our architectural dreams to life. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the beasts of burden, the dump trucks. Dump trucks, the heavy-duty haulers, are the unsung heroes in the world of building casting. They may not be as glamorous as their crane and concrete truck cousins, but their role is equally, if not more, vital. So, what makes these giants tick? It's all about their ability to shoulder heavy loads and their clever design that allows them to unload materials with ease. Imagine a colossal sandbox on wheels. That's essentially what a dump truck is. The dump body, or the sandbox, is specifically designed to handle the heaviest of loads. Whether it's sand, gravel, or even boulders, it's all in a day's work for these tireless workhorses. But a dump truck's job isn't just to carry loads. It's also built to unload them. The dump body is hinged at the rear, allowing it to lift. This tilt and tip mechanism is powered by hydraulic rams, which can lift tons of material and dump it out in one smooth motion. It's an ingenious piece of engineering that saves countless hours on the job, making dump trucks indispensable in any construction site. Yet, it's not just about brute strength. Dump trucks are also about agility. Despite their size, they're designed for maneuverability. They can navigate through tight spaces, traverse uneven terrain, and even climb steep inclines, thanks to their powerful engines and robust wheel systems. This combination of power and agility allows dump trucks to operate in diverse environments, from bustling city construction sites to remote mountain quarries. In the world of building casting, these load carriers are the backbone of any major construction project. They transport the raw materials needed to erect skyscrapers, build highways, and lay the foundations of our homes. Without them, progress would be slow, if not impossible. In the end, dump trucks embody the essence of construction. They're the hardworking, dependable, and versatile machines that carry the weight of our dreams and aspirations, literally and metaphorically. Dump trucks, with their strength and capacity, are the backbone of any major construction project. And finally, let's look skywards to our high-flying friends, the crane trucks. These are the unsung heroes of the construction world, the towering giants that make those awe-inspiring skylines possible. Crane trucks are the heavy lifters, the muscle of the construction site. They're designed with one specific goal in mind: to lift, lower, and move heavy materials with precision and ease. Imagine a weightlifter, but on an industrial scale, capable of hoisting several tons of steel, concrete, or equipment, and you've got a good idea of what a crane truck does. These machines are not just about brute force, though. They're also about finesse. Each crane truck is equipped with a telescopic boom, a long arm that can extend outwards and upwards. This boom is what allows the crane to reach dizzying heights and place materials with pinpoint accuracy. Without these crane trucks, constructing a high-rise building would be like trying to build a house of cards without the cards. But what makes crane trucks so special in the realm of building casting? Well, these trucks play a critical role in this process. Building casting involves creating concrete panels or sections off-site, then transporting these hefty pieces to the construction site. Here's where our crane trucks come in. They lift these massive sections off the transport, swing them into place, and lower them down with flawless precision. It's a ballet of construction, and the crane truck is the principal dancer. So next time you're marveling at a skyscraper, remember the crane trucks. These high-flying machines have literally shaped our cities, lifting and placing each piece of the urban puzzle. They are the bridge between ground and sky, the link that allows us to construct buildings that scrape the clouds. Crane trucks reaching for the skies are crucial for taking our cities to new heights. So, let's give a tip of the hard hat to these sky-high lifters, these titans of construction. Without them, our world would look very different indeed. So, there you have it, a quick tour of the heavyweights of the construction world. We started with the concrete trucks, those magnificent beasts that lay the foundation of our urban landscapes. Their mixture-spinning drums are the heartbeat of any construction site, pumping out the vital concrete that forms the bedrock of our structures. We then moved on to dump trucks, the workhorses of the building industry. These load carriers are the lifeline that keeps construction sites bustling, transporting materials from one place to another with ease and efficiency. Finally, we soared high with crane trucks, the sky-high lifters. These towering giants of the construction scene are indispensable, hoisting heavy materials to great heights, helping us reach for the sky in our architectural ambitions. Each of these trucks plays an essential role in building casting, contributing significantly to the development of our cities. Next time you see these trucks at work, you'll appreciate the colossal tasks they perform in shaping our world. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.